The time to take counsel of your fears is before you make an important battle decision. That's the time to listen to every fear you can imagine. When you have collected all the facts and fears and made your decision, turn off all your fears and go ahead. By the way, I will not say that you have to take a big risk. At least you can take that much risk that whatever I will say today, listen with all your heart and mind and put it somewhere inside your mind. Something big has to be done in the life of two. No matter what happens, I have to do something big. By the way, there will be many people who will not take that much risk today and will leave my words because many people only like to watch funny videos to pass the time unnecessarily. Today, many people make motivational videos on YouTube, but very few people will watch them. Because we all don't want something that will change life or teach you something new. Just for some time, you will laugh at those useless jokes. For some time, you will like those useless things. Success never comes by looking at the mark sheet. If you work hard continuously, then you will reach the pinnacle of success comfortably. All the people of today only like to listen to motivational story or read it. I also like that you read and listened to motivational speech story, but why don't you ever implement it? It is most important that if you see something good or read something good, then implement it. Why are you lazy in bringing it? Friend, think for yourself whether a tree grows up in a single day or not. It takes time. It takes years only that it bears fruit. And if I talk about today's people, then they want to be successful in just one blow. They do not want to take any risk. They think that some easy way will come out from somewhere to earn such money, and they will jump into it without looking anything. Why does this happen? If you want to be successful, then you have to take risk. How will you be successful until you take risk? Think it takes time for anything to happen, or to do anything. You have to give some input, only then some output will come out of it. If you keep on being afraid in life, then you will not be able to do anything in life. That's why if you want to get success, then you have to take risk. By the way, many people must have heard this as a small line. I hope that you will understand from it that you will never stop. You will never get tired. You will never turn back. You just have to walk in your life. Every person has a master plan to be successful. You will also have one. But somewhere inside, he is afraid that it will happen or not. And at the same time, it also happens that we do not share the master plan with anyone so that others do not become successful. The only thing in our mind is that if I have a very good plan and I can implement it, will not share neither with my friends nor with any other person, because if he copies it, he will be successful. If you are thinking like this, then till date I have not seen a bigger fool than you. A successful person is the one who does something different by taking risk. You can talk with your friends. What do you know on this topic? What you do not know, he should know that. Human is not perfect in everything. Whatever plan you have, it has to be discussed with others. You don't tell the whole. Tell little by little. Who knows, you will get more ideas from there. What if the master plan you have can become more perfect? Before taking the risk, you have to make a planning. A perfect planning has to be made. Whenever you have to set a big goal or achieve something big, first of all, you have to do a good planning for it. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks.